Good morning, guys. Here we are, Science Bellwork, Week 6, Day 1. This week we're going to be reading about why can't you light a match more than once. So today's going to be kind of an introduction to the concept. So follow along as I read through the passage, and then we'll move on to parts A and B. Imagine trying to start a campfire without a match. It's very hard to do. In fact, before matches were invented, it was often difficult to get a fire going or even light a candle. But by the 1800s, people knew that mixing certain substances together could produce a flame. They applied these chemicals to the ends of sticks to create some of the first matches. A match produces a flame through a chemical reaction called combustion. During combustion, substances combine with oxygen in the air to make new substances, and in this process, produce energy in the form of heat and light. The first matches that were made could produce a flame, but they had one problem. The chemicals that were put on the match tips sometimes reacted too easily. Early matches could unexpectedly ignite, bursting into flames or exploding. So Part A wants us to use the vocab words to complete the sentences. Our two vocab words are combustion, which means the oxidization or burning of a substance, and ignite, which means to catch on fire. So number one, chemical substances applied to the ends of sticks cause them to, well, as we see right here, the diagram, and from what we read in that passage, it would be to catch on fire, to cause them to ignite. Number two, a kind of reaction called blank results in the oxidization of a substance. Well, we see the definition. The oxidization or burning of a substance means combustion. The first matches were stored in airtight boxes to keep them from igniting suddenly on their own. Why do you think this worked? Well, if you look, it says during combustion or for that reaction for the matches to light, they have to interact with oxygen. So they couldn't start burning if they didn't have any source of oxygen. So that's what I think we should put down for B, something along the lines of that they weren't able to react or interact with oxygen to have that reaction. And there's part B. So there you have it. Part A, Part B. Hope you guys made your corrections if you needed to, and have a good day, guys.